In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit text in GoDaddy Website Builder. Whether you're refreshing a headline or adding a brand new text block, I'll guide you through the exact clicks so you can make clean, professional updates in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. After you're in, look to the top right corner and click your account name to open the menu. Choose My Products to see everything you manage with GoDaddy. Find the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one, look for the site's name or thumbnail so you select the right one, and click it. This opens the website builder editor for that site, where you can see your pages and make visual changes. To edit existing text, click directly on the text box in the section you want to change. Your cursor appears right inside the text, and you can start typing immediately. Use the inline formatting controls that pop up, things like bold, italics, alignment, and links, to fine-tune your copy. Keep your updates concise and readable, and match your tone across headings and paragraphs for a consistent feel. If you make a mistake, use the undo option to quickly revert your last change. As you type, the editor updates so you can see exactly how it will look on the page. If you need more space for copy, add a new text section. In the editor, click the plus icon where you want the new content to appear. This opens the section library. Choose General to view standard building blocks, then select Content to focus on text-oriented layouts. Browse the available content templates and pick one that fits your message. Maybe a simple text block for an announcement, or a layout with a headline and paragraph for a short description. Click the template to insert it into your page, right where you placed the plus icon. Once the new section appears, click the placeholder text and edit it just like before. Update the heading, rewrite the paragraph, and apply basic formatting so it matches the rest of your site. Keep an eye on spacing and line length for readability, and make sure the wording aligns with your brand voice. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your site, edited existing copy, and added a new text section using GoDaddy Website Builder. With these steps, you can confidently keep your website content fresh and clear whenever you need to make an update.